Chicken Cat is designed to prevent chickens from being injured while being caught by hand and to reduce labor costs. The main structure of the machine consists of a collecting head system, operated by hydraulics. The collector consists of 3 barrel-like drums that rotate one against another. The surface of the drums very gently lifts the chickens onto the collector and then onto the conveyor. This conveyor belt brings the chickens into containers placed on the rotating loading platform. This machine makes the work on the chicken farm much easier and does not harm the chickens.